Comment here 99 to participate in our super offers event. BioDynamix Joint Genesis is like an elixir for joints, offering a series of benefits that resemble refined and personalized care for joint vitality. Imagine joints as complex gears in a finely tuned machine. Just like any mechanism, these joints require adequate lubrication and nutrition to function smoothly over time. With 5 natural substances, Joint Genesis acts as the specialized oil that keeps these gears in perfect working order. In its mission to promote joint health, Joint Genesis begins its journey by nourishing synovial fluid, the vital fluid that fills joints. As we age, this liquid tends to lose its fluidity and acquire a less gelatinous texture, damaging its crucial role as a joint shock absorber. Here, Joint Genesis plays the role of restorative, ensuring that synovial fluid remains dehydrated and rich in hyaluronan, an essential ingredient for joint health. Consider aging as the natural wear and tear of a machine over time. As joints age, the reduction in fluidity and changes in the texture of synovial fluid can cause discomfort and impair joint functionality. Joint Genesis intervenes like a skilled mechanic, nourishing and lubricating the joints to prevent these discomforts, ensuring that the machinery of the human body continues to operate smoothly. In addition to lubrication, Joint Genesis plays an active role in supporting the body's inflammatory response. Imagine joints as construction areas in constant renovation. Sometimes adverse inflammatory reactions occur, similar to small protests in construction areas. Here, pycnogenol, a super antioxidant present in Joint Genesis, acts as an experienced construction manager. It promotes a healthy inflammatory response, acting as an efficient regulator to maintain order and minimize disruption. The antioxidants in Joint Genesis are like a team of building experts, working to strengthen the foundations of your joints. They act directly on the synovial fluid, combating adverse inflammatory reactions that can harm the structural stability of the joints. By offering this support, the supplement not only soothes the joints, but also promotes the health of the surrounding constructions, i.e. the arteries, contributing to a balanced inflammatory response. The improvement in joint comfort provided by Joint Genesis is like a complete restoration of an old building. By improving artery health, the supplement not only soothes joints but restores flexibility and reduces stiffness. The antioxidant properties work as renewers that care not only for the main structure, but also for the details that make joints comfortable and functional. Imagine now that Joint Genesis is not just a restorer but also a master architect, designing joints to promote a sense of flexibility and dynamism. The combination of powerful natural substances in the supplement works to keep synovial fluid not just dehydrated, but thick and healthy. This is like ensuring that a machine's hydraulic system is always in ideal condition, supporting the hydration, cushioning and fluidity of the cartilage. In this analogy, cartilage is like the robust internal structure, and synovial fluid is like the essential fluid for the functionality of the machine. Joint Genesis, as a master architect, aims to create and maintain an internal architecture that results in lasting effects. These effects are not just limited to stability, but extend to the ability to move, imbuing joints with youthful mobility and flexibility. In short, BioDynamix Joint Genesis is not just a supplement, is a joint care specialist, serving as a mechanic, construction manager, renovator and master architect. By nourishing, lubricating, supporting the inflammatory response, improving comfort and promoting a feeling of flexibility, Joint Genesis stands out as a valuable ally in the pursuit of optimal joint health. Just as a well-maintained machine operates efficiently, the human body, with the support of Joint Genesis, can enjoy harmonious mobility and lasting flexibility. Product link in comments.